I love Pixabay.com, and I think this is the best place on the internet to find some copyright-free material, especially images. But unfortunately, this website has been overrun by AI images. And when you go to Pixabay and then search for something, there is a good chance that the images were AI generated. Now, I have nothing against AI images. I think they look great, but when I visit Pixabay.com, that's because I want to get some real, genuine, authentic pictures, not some AI images. If I want to get AI images, then I go to ChatGPT or Recraft. So I want to get authentic picture, but unfortunately, at the same time, this site is being overrun by AI. So for example, here I search the keyword supercar on Pixabay, trying to find some images, and you can see that a lot of the results are actually AI images. I mean, you don't have to look closely, but you can tell that these pictures are definitely AI images, at least most of them. So how do you deal with that? Well, fortunately, there is a simple setting in Pixabay that lets you filter the AI images, leaving only authentic real images. Now, let me give you a quick demonstration. I'm going to duplicate this page and I'm going to show you before and after adding the filter. So if you scroll to the top, there is this menu that says content type. You can click on it and you can select all content, authentic or AI generated content. So of course, since I want to get real picture, not AI, then I'm going to select this option. And after that, you'll see that all the AI images are being filtered out. Maybe not all of them, because there could be some images that are not being properly labeled, and maybe the uploader just tell that it was real, but I would say they kind of look like AI. For example, this one looks like AI, but overall you can see that the result is definitely much better. These are real pictures, unlike this one, which is basically being dominated by AI generated images. So go to Pixabay and apply the setting to get more authentic picture. So if you want this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.